In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods any generation to a PlayStation 5. This method works for all PS5 models, standard, slim or pro. It's simple, so make sure to follow along. Right off the bat, the PS5 does not natively support Bluetooth audio devices. That means you cannot connect your AirPods directly to the PS5 without an extra step. So don't worry, there are two easy methods to get your AirPods working with your console. So method one is using a Bluetooth adapter. This is the most straightforward solution. So purchase a Bluetooth audio adapter for PS5. For example, the U-Green adapter works well, but any compatible adapter will do. You can find these on Amazon or other electronic store. Now plug the adapter into any USB port on your PS5. Put your AirPods into pairing mode. Open the case and double tap the buttons on the back of the case. The light on your AirPods will start blinking, indicating they are in pairing mode. On the adapter, press and hold its pairing button for a few seconds. The AirPod and adapter will automatically pair. Now there might be a slight audio latency, but it's very easy way to connect. Method 2 is connect via your TV. If your TV support Bluetooth, you can connect your AirPods directly to the TV instead. So go to your TV settings, then sound output, Bluetooth devices or similar depending on your TV brand, but put your AirPods in pairing mode. Again, when your AirPods appear on the TV Bluetooth list, select them to pair. Now all audio from your TV including the PS5 will play through your AirPods. This is a great solution if you don't want to buy an adapter. And that's it. Those are two easiest way to connect your AirPods to a PS5, and that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.